Hey everybody, what we have here is the 2003 anniversary edition. Okay, 2003, all of them are anniversary editions. Every one. This one has been brought to 96 inches, it's got cams, it's got this Vance & Hines exhaust, and it has this factory optional custom paint with the anniversary emblem, 105 of 299 or 200, I think it says 200. So you and I will never ever see this paint job again. Not ever. It just ain't gonna happen. It's not in brand new condition, but it's extremely clean. All I did was wash it, haven't polished it. Just a little dusty, so I wanted to get the dust off. So it is on non-op. I double checked. It's $170 to register it. Put in your name. Still has the anniversary dash, very important. Has matching motor numbers with the anniversary tag on the motor. Matching numbers. You know, it's not in brand new condition, but it's real clean. And it has 16,321 miles on it. All this works. High-low beam. High-low beam there. Horn. Left turn signal is working. See? Spots are working. Right turn signal's working. That's the handbrake, and that's the foot brake. Foot brake is working. Tail light there in the back. So the light in the gas gauge works, but the gas gauge is not registering. Probably a sensor. So I just had this on the freeway cruising 80. They could easily cruise 100 with that 5-speed, big inch motor. Just loads along, got plenty of power. Not quite as fast as a 103 cam bike, but it's right behind it. This is a real fast motorcycle. And it's real stupid clean. Little detail in this bike would just be outstanding. And we got the 100th anniversary air cleaner on it, timing cover on it. You know? Got all the good stuff. Yeah. As I said, it's on non-op. I did check. There's your VIN number right there. If you want to check. Got it. Right. And you're going to need the plate number. Right there. And again, it is matching motor numbers. Now, let's see if we can get that number there. There you go. Matching motor number. All that. When they're fired up, it is warm, but it's fuel injected, so it just fires right up. There's no choke. I got it from, he sold it for his dad, but he recently had a $2,800 service done to this. So that means new tires, doing the timing chain, the plastic adjusters have to be replaced. Remember, it's an 03, so should we tell how quiet it is? It's been done through the whole oil change. It's ready to rock and roll. So what it needs, besides an owner, is get the gas cap working if that matters to you. And it is missing the Allen and spacer for here and down here. These two Allens are gone. It's only being held right here, right now. So you need to fix that. Put this on right, so blinked. And this is a radio that drains the battery, so I just shook this in the trash. But everybody's different, so I left it. And I did not polish it, just washed it. So a little polish this bike would just be outstanding. Oh my God. So there it is, 4,500 bucks for a brand new motorcycle with about $5 grand in upgrades. See ya. Oh, by the way, this paint job would have been another $3,500 in there. Just so you know. Bye-bye.